another output question in this video. So the question is M1 equal to what at the rate output. So see the cases here, capital W, small letter h, a, t, at the rate, o, u, capital T, capital P, and small letter u, t, and exclamation. After that we have to give the index value. Now M2 is an empty string here. For I in range length of M1. Length of M1 is 12. So the range function will give values from 0 to 11. Now we can take the first value for I. The first value of I is 0. We will check M1 of 0. M1 of 0 is upper. M1 of 0 is capital W. So it is an uppercase letter. The condition is true. Now what we have to do is we have to perform the statement. If this condition is true, we have to perform the statement. The statement is M2 plus equal to CHR, that is character of inside the parenthesis ordinal. ORD is ordinal value. We have learned that each character is having an ordinal value of M1 of I plus 1. So first we have to find the ordinal value of M1 of I. After that we have to add 1 with that ordinal value. Then we have to convert that ordinal value to character like that. Now see here. First it is W. M1 of 0. It is an uppercase letter. So what we have to do is first we have to perform this expression in this parenthesis. That is M1 of I. What is M1 of I? That is M1 of 0. 0. We have to find the ordinal value of M1 of 0. That is the ordinal value of W is 87. So we will write 87. 87 plus 1, that is 88. Now we have to find the character of 88. If the capital W is 87, then capital X is 88. So the character will be capital X. Now we have to concatenate capital X to M2. Now in M2 we are having the character X. So for capital letter A it is 65. So 65 onwards we will take the ordinal values. Okay. Please go through your notes, then you will get the ordinal values. Now the next value of I is 1. We will check M1 of I is upper. M1 of I is not upper. Condition false. So we will check the next elif condition. M1 of I is lower. The condition is true. So what we have to do? We have to convert M1 of I, that is M1 of 1 to upper. M1 of 1 is small letter h. We have to convert it into capital letter H and we have to concatenate to the string M2. So capital H is added here. Next value of I is 2. We will check M1 of 2. M1 of 2 is upper. Condition false. So we will check M1 of 2 is lower. M1 of 2 is small letter a. Condition is true. So what we have to do? We have to convert M1 of 2. M1 of 2 is small letter a. We have to convert small letter a to capital A and we have to concatenate to the string M2. So capital A is added here. Again we will go back to the loop. Next value of I is 3. We will check M1 of 3 is upper. M1 of 3 is small letter t. Condition false. So we will check M1 of 3 is lower. The condition is true. So we have to convert M1 of 3. M1 of 3 is small letter t. We have to convert small letter t to capital letter T and we have to concatenate with M2. So capital T is added here. Now next value of I is 4. We will check M1 of 4 is upper. Condition is false. So we will check the next elif condition. M1 of 4 is lower. The condition is false. So we will come to this else statement. In the else statement, we have to concatenate to hashtag to M2. So hashtag is concatenated. Now we will take the next value of I as 5. We will check whether M1 of I. M1 of I means M1 of 5 is upper. No, because it is small letter O. Condition false. So we'll check whether it is lowercase. The condition is true. So what we have to do? We have to convert m1 of 5 to upper. So what is m1 of 5? Small letter O to capital letter O, and we have to concatenate with the string m. So capital O is added. Next value of I is 6. Again we'll check whether m1 of 6 is small letter U, whether it is a uppercase letter. No, condition false. So we'll check m1 of 6 is lowercase. The condition is true. If the condition is true, what we have to do? We have to convert m1 of 6. It is m1, okay. We have to convert m1 of 6 to uppercase letter. What is m1 of 6? That is small letter u to capital letter U, and we have to concatenate to the string m2. So capital U is added here. Now the next value of I will be 7. Again we will check m1 of 7 is upper. Yes, it is uppercase letter because it is capital letter T. So what we have to do? We have to find the ordinal value of m1 of I. The ordinal value of m1 of I, that is m1 of 7, that is capital T, is 84. So ordinal value is 84. Then we have to do 84 plus 1, that is 85. After that we have to find the character of 85. The character of 85 is capital U. So we have to concatenate to M2. So capital U is added. After T, it is U. 84 is T, 85 is U. Now the next value of I will be 8. Again we will check m1 of 8 is up. Condition is true. So what we have to do? We have to find the ordinal value of m1 of I. What is m1 of I? The m1 of I is p. We have to find the ordinal value of p, that is 80. 80 plus 1, 81. So the next value of p is capital Q. So the character of 81 is capital Q. So what we have to do? We have to concatenate with the string m2. So Q is added here. Now the next value of I is 9 from the range function. Again we will check m1 of 9 is upper. Actually it is lower. So condition is false. Now we will check m1 of 9 is lower. Condition is true. So what we have to do? We have to convert m1 of 9 to uppercase letter. That means we are converting small letter u to capital letter U. So m1 of 9, small letter u is converted to capital letter U, and we have to concatenate with m2. So u is concatenated. Now the next value of I is 10. Then we will check m1 of 10 is upper. m1 of 10 is uppercase. Condition is true. So what we have to find? We have to find the ordinal value of m1 of 10. That is capital T. The ordinal value of capital T is 84. 84 plus 1, 85. So the character of 85 after T, it is U. So that is capital U. We have to concatenate to M2. So capital U is added here. Now the last value of I is 11. We will check m1 of 11 is upper. It is an exclamation. So condition is false. So we'll check m1 of 11 is lower. The condition is false. So we will check. So we have to perform the else part. M2 equal to M2 plus hashtag plus hashtag. So 2 hashtag is added to M2. Now no more values from the range function will come outside the for loop. Now print M2. So what is there in M2? Capital X, H, A, T, hashtag, hashtag, O, U, U, Q, U, U, hashtag, hashtag. So this is the output.